Now, as you've noticed, this presentation is called Laugh, Learn, Invest. But I guess if it was a corporate presentation, it would most likely be called Laugh, Learn, Invest version 6.7.7 underscore final version underscore final version underscore no more changes now underscore project manager changed everything. How many people on LinkedIn out here? Make some noise. अबे LinkedIn पे तो selfie डालना बंद करो यार. Newton's first law of corporate physics, which says that the longer and more elaborate your LinkedIn profile, in reality more useless is your job. Strategic interface between the firm and the external environment. You're a receptionist. So I'd like to call on my partner in crime. He's a chartered accountant, he's a certified financial planner, he's also my uncle. The third point is not on his LinkedIn profile. So guys, with a big round of applause, can we have Harsh Rungta take this session forward?
Typically, most people want to invest for their retirement, right? How many of you want to invest for your retirements? Right? How many of you want to invest for your children's higher education? Right? How many of you want to invest for your children's marriage? Okay? If you don't have enough resources, your resources are just about enough to do either your retirement planning or your child's higher education. People know these are my multiple goals. They are going to happen at different points of time. They also know that broadly they are not in line to meet all their goals. But people don't want to sit down and calculate it. Because if you sit down and calculate it, you will know that you are falling short. And then you will have to prioritize. Prioritizing between child's education and retirement. Now that is not an easy thing to do for anybody.
I also want to share something with you guys. I turned 30 3 years ago. I get worried. If I keep this up for too long, I'll not even care if my partner's figure is 36, 24, 36. I'll be more worried, is the blood pressure 120/80? And over to Harsh to tell you how to deal with financial planning in this horrifying phase of life.
Financial planning is probably not as interesting as the stuff that he doles out. There used to be a tribal king of Andamans. Okay? He sold this to the Danish nation. The entire Andaman Islands, the entire chain of Andaman Islands. 1630, long ago. How much do you think he got for it?
1 lakh.
1 lakh rupees? Okay? Do I hear more? Yes? So you'll have to give me the answer. It has to be for everybody.
So this works out to be 38008 610611848.
What? This sounds like the mobile number of 2 of his girlfriends put together. 24 rupees. This is legend. गोरी चमड़ी आके ब्राउन चमड़ी को बेवकूफ बना दिया.
We have to see the compounding effect.
Okay. That's such lovely. I think that really deserves a chocolate.
If you can see the impact, if you can just analyze in some ways, is that sometimes, okay, if your wife tells you to do something and you forget, now you think that the trouble is adding up to you linearly. You think it's going as simple interest. But actually what's really happening is going to explode this way. It happens exponentially. Where suddenly at the end of 7 years, you'll realize, why did I even marry this guy? That's how it actually happens. Because one of the reasons we talk about financial planning is in some ways it takes you through the various phases of life, you know. Like for me, school was really good. I was from Xavier's. Yeah. All boys academy. You don't realize the horrors of being in an all boys school till you come to that horrifying day. The school's annual play. When all the guys dress up as the girls. And you know the scariest thing, one of them look pretty, man.
So women here participated the most in the workshop and you are the winner of the gold coin.
How much do you think this gold coin is for? The standard answer again is priceless. So what did you guys think? You would come to a free workshop, learn a lot of things and get actually 25,000 rupees worth of prize. Okay?
I actually started thinking about compliance first.
This is a silver citizens worth about 900 rupees. Okay. I'm sure that is exempt in your compliance things.
Very nice workshop. You conducted very well, and of course you also. It was really very good.
I'm actually very impressed by whatever Mr. Hart told us. It's all about the investment, and the one thing that I never take care of about in my life till the time when I was started earning from the last 3 to 5 years, I never take care of the investment, not at all. But after this workshop, I understood how to invest, when to invest, and where to invest particularly.
I've just started my career in finance, so it was very difficult. How should I use my whatever wealth I have, not wealth, I can say whatever stipend I'm getting right now. So till now I was just using it for my shopping and all, but now I know that if I want it, then I have to invest it properly so that I get it in the long future, I get good wealth out of it.